When you're ready, find yourself a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow your eyes to close and take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Allow each breath to bring you deeper and deeper into a state of calm and relaxation. Nobody wants anything. Nobody needs anything. This is your time. And any sounds around you or in the distance will take you deeper and deeper. And as you focus on your breathing, notice the air gently filling your lungs and releasing as you exhale. And with every out-breath, letting go of any tension in your body. Feel the rhythm of your breath flowing in and out. Now, I would like you to bring your attention to the top of your head, noticing any tension in your scalp, your forehead, and the muscles around your eyes, allowing them to soften, letting go of any tightness or strain there. Feeling this area becoming smooth and at ease. And as you move down now to your jaw and face, relaxing the muscles in your cheeks and around your mouth, allowing your jaw to become loose and heavy. And if you've been clenching, simply let it go, releasing any held tension there. Now, I would like you to direct your awareness to your neck and shoulders, as many of us hold stress there. So imagine any weight or tension just melting away as your shoulders begin to drop and loosen, feeling the muscles of your neck releasing, allowing you to feel lighter and free. Now, focusing on your arms, starting from your shoulders down, your elbows to your wrists, and all the way down to your fingertips. With every breath, you feel your arms becoming heavier, warm, and deeply relaxed. Bringing your awareness now to your chest and your back. And with each breath out, feeling a gentle expansion in your chest, letting go of any tension in your back, allowing it to release and relax completely. Noticing your stomach and abdomen. Let go of any tightness here, allowing your belly to soften and expand naturally as you breathe. Moving on down to your hips and pelvis, letting this area relax fully. And as you do that, let go of any stored tension and feel your entire lower body becoming calm and relaxed. Feeling the relaxation moving down through your thighs, your knees, and your calves. Finally, into your feet and toes, allowing all the muscles in your legs to become loose, limp, and heavy. Feel this deep sense of calm and relaxation from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. And with each breath out, you can go deeper and deeper into a peaceful, relaxing state. Now in a moment, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. And with each number, feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper, as if you're floating down into a place of total relaxation and comfort. 10. Drifting deeper and deeper, feeling even more at ease, sinking down, every muscle completely relaxed. 7. Deeper still. 6. As if you're floating, feeling safe and at peace. 5. Halfway down to a beautiful serene state. 4. Deeper and deeper relaxed. 3. More and more at ease. 2. Almost there. And 1. Fully relaxed, feeling calm, safe, and peaceful. You are now in a state of deep relaxation, open and ready for a journey within. And as you're in this relaxed state, because you followed all my instructions, I would like you to imagine yourself standing at the top of a staircase. And each step down this staircase brings you closer to a doorway, a gateway to a past life. And as you feel curious, relaxed, and ready to discover this life, as I count down from 5 to 1, each number will take you further down the steps closer to this door of discovery. 5. Beginning to step down the stairs. 4. Feeling yourself go even deeper. 3. Almost at the doorway now. 2. Feeling calm, open, ready. 1. Now you're in front of the door. Noticing what this door looks like. What color is it? The size and shape. Knowing that beyond this door is a glimpse into a past life. One that has wisdom waiting for you. So when you're ready, reach out and open this door, stepping through into another time and place. Take a moment to notice your surroundings. Looking around, are you indoors or outdoors? Are there others with you, or are you alone? Notice the environment, the colors, the textures, and the feeling of this place. Now, I'd like you to look down at yourself. Notice your body, your clothes, your hands, or any belongings you may be holding. Becoming aware of who you are in this life. Are you a man or a woman? How old do you feel? What do you feel called to do in this life? Allow yourself explore, trusting whatever comes up. Now, as you begin to move through this life, I'd like you to ask yourself, what is your role here? What do you do day to day? Are there people around you who are important to you? And what do you feel about them? Taking your time as you explore, allowing images, sounds, or even emotions to surface. You may begin to recall significant events or places that are meaningful. Feel free to experience these events fully, noticing any details, feelings, or insights. And as you continue this journey in your past life, there may be wisdom a lesson, or a message that has travelled across time to be with you. Ask yourself, what did I learn in this life that is valuable to me now? How can this wisdom or understanding bring peace, clarity, or guidance to my current life? Listen closely for any messages or insights that come through. They may be subtle, a feeling, an image, or a few simple words. And as you take all the time you need, allowing yourself to receive and absorb this wisdom fully. And as you take this wisdom, know that it is now part of you. It's with you, available whenever you need it. Thank yourself for taking this journey, for exploring, for opening up to receive. And when you're ready, imagine yourself returning to the doorway where you began. Step back through, returning to the present, bringing with you peace, the understanding, and the wisdom you've gained. Now in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And as I count to 5, you'll feel yourself coming back to the here and now, bringing with you all that you've discovered. 1. Starting to come back, bringing awareness to your body. 2. Feeling the surface beneath you, the room around you. 3. Beginning to stretch, feeling energy return to your body. 4. Taking a deep breath in, bringing yourself fully into the present. And 5. Eyes open, fully awake, calm, refreshed, and filled with wisdom. Coming back to full awareness in your own way, in your own time.